Chaka. Oh, am I recording? Oh, yes, I am. Good. Ooga chaka. I'm opening these things. Oh, my pet inventory full. And if you look in chat, I was talking to someone. I was telling people to use codes that are good. Then he asked, am I a YouTuber? I said no. He said, you sure? Then I said, not really. I am a YouTuber, but very bad YouTuber. Because, like, no one will watch this. I know, like, no one will watch this. I might not even upload it. You never know. No, I never know. You'd be watching this, so you would know. Whoever would be watching this. I'm not really that good. I only have 13 rebirths. So. Looks like that person's on that stage. Who is that, actually? Oh, is that him? Nope. That's Killer Cat. Does he mean this area? How good is this pet now? Oh. What's up with that crate? Okay, then. Oh, I guess they rebirthed. Oh yeah, it must be 3 rebirths, because that guy had 0 rebirths before. Jeez, that person has 24 rebirths. In case you're wondering, I know like all of the codes. Not actually, I just know a lot of codes. should have 16 rebirths. Nope, 15. So then I wonder how that I got 3 rebirths. I already mowed so much. I'm just kidding. I barely mowed any. How did he get those pets? I'm walking. I'm running as fast as I can. I am super slow. Oh, why is this happening to me? Now I am barely any faster. Oh well, that's gonna end it off for this video, because I'm bored. See you guys next time. Peace!